Hey, what is up there, guys? How you guys doing? Welcome back to the Adventures. It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. For those new to the channel, guys, don't forget, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and also turn on that notification bell so y'all guys can be posted with all the cool adventures and stuff like that. But today's video, we actually going to be reviewing our E-Lumen 500. This is actually a cool fresh light with solar panel, guys. Say no more batteries. Let me hear that one more time, guys. No more batteries, man. We got the solar panel on the fresh light now, so we're gonna see how this thing works. Hopefully it holds up. So like what they say, it does. It's a 500 lumen here. So we can get down to it, man. We're gonna start unboxing this thing, but first thing first, show you guys the box, let you guys see all the information here so you guys can know everything this fresh light does. It has the back here with some more information. It has the side with some information there. You got some more information on this side. Man, just the outside of this box looks amazing, man. And look, you can see the fresh light right through it. So it's a cool little light, man. It's $15. I actually bought this light at a Walmart, so y'all guys can get this at a local Walmart, guys. So if y'all guys interested in it, go to Walmart, man. Caught one of these cool little lights, man. Say no more batteries, man, because just buying batteries alone, you're gonna be spending a couple dollars, man. Batteries ain't cheap. You know, box some batteries with the little packs, you spending like $10-15 on just that. That's not even including the light, but y'all guys can have it all here, just in the light. So let's get to it. I'm not actually gonna open it now. I'm gonna show you guys the outside of this box. So let's zoom up to it and let y'all guys get to it, man. So you guys can examine the outside before we get into the inside here. So let's get to it, guys. Yeah, guys, that's the E-Lumen here 500. Now it's time to get into this box here. We're gonna open this thing up for the first time. So booyah, gotta put that thing back there, and there goes the top, just opening up now. Let's take this light out of here. This is a multiple light, like I said. You can actually cut a few things with it. And first thing, as we open it, you get this cool little case here, clear little case with the fresh light right in it. Gonna take that out of there. You get inside of that and the bottom of that, there was a set of wires there. It's like a little wire so you could charge the light here. I don't know how you plug this up, but we're gonna figure that out in a few. So let's put that to the side there. And you get the books here. Let you know all the information about it. It's a whole bunch of stuff you can read here. It does take a lot of time. So if you guys got a lot of time in your hands, read through the book. You gotta learn a little bit more about this light here and learn how they built this thing, learn how the solar panel and stuff works, how much power and stuff it gets in it, and how much it lasts and all that stuff like that. Because it says on the box here, like it said earlier when I was showing y'all guys, I think it did say it somewhere here. Well, I don't remember what it said of that, but it's supposed to last for a couple hours and stuff like that. But I mean, we're gonna test it out for ourselves, man. We're gonna see how this thing works. I mean, the box could say one thing, but it could do another. It's another book here about some more gadgets that this company here makes. They got like little battery packs for like solar panels. You can charge a whole bunch of things. They got it English and Spanish and stuff on both sides there. You can throw that to the side. And let's get to it, man. They got a little cover here. It's a little cover you gotta pop off here first. Boom. Pop that thing off and you get the little this little clip that comes off it right there. Let me show y'all that. And you get a little button that's behind there. It's the power button. And boom. Did I blind y'all? Dang, this thing got 3 settings, like I said. There's a low mode. No, there's a bright mode or low mode, and then a flashing mode. And here, guys, here goes Coco to jump back into the picture and stuff. She's trying to review the light with us and stuff. But hey, guys, let's get back to this. You see the solar panel right here in front of it. It's a cool little solar panel. Got a blue light on it, so I'm assuming the light that it's getting from outside and the light that we have here is charging the solar panel here, so you can see it does work. I guess I'm assuming once you get that blue little light there, that notifies you that the solar panel is on. Cause when you block it, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. It's probably gonna turn back on. Yeah, it's gonna turn back on because the light that's on the GoPro here is gonna turn it back on. But when you cover it and put it into the dark, you don't see the blue light anymore. So once it hits light, it turns blue. It's a blue little light right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it also does have a little magnet there. We're gonna be testing that. I'll take that onto the fridge, smack it onto the fridge to see if it sticks. You got the little blade right here in the bottom, like it says in the box out there, that you can use it to cut like seat belts. It probably cut paper. Let me see if I'm gonna use the instruction paper. I don't really read this stuff here, because I mean, if anything, you can go on YouTube, and if you've got any problems with it, you could just go on there and it gives you some more information, a little better and stuff, hands-on, somebody showing you, than reading a book like this, especially with all these pages. But we're gonna use this paper right here and see if this blade cuts it and stuff. Give it a try. Yeah, it's cutting it. It's not gonna cut it through, but yeah, it cut it though. Let me see. Put a little slice through it. And this is the little slice, guys, that they put on it. You see a nice little clean cut. So it is a sharp blade. It's good for like seat belts and stuff. If you gotta get through something, you probably cut right through things. Any emergency, yeah, cuts right through it. And then has this little pointy thing on the other side of that. I'm assuming this is like to probably like hit out a window or something, or get yourself out of a situation. This will probably come in handy. It's a little spiky too, kind of hurts. You can screw this off. I'm assuming in the bottom of this, because on the box there it says this comes off. And yeah, like I was saying, that's where you charge it right there. I found the charging part right there, right underneath this little piece that you can take off that cuts seat belts and break windows, get you out of a little emergency situation in case of accident or anything. This little flashlight comes in handy for that. And then got 2 little plugs here. So I think it's one. It says in and one says out. You guys can see that real closely. Let me see if I can block this out for y'all, so you guys can zoom up a little. One says in, the top one says in, and the bottom one says out. It's actually input and output, I'm assuming that's for. So you take this little wire, you put that right there into the big USB that's actually feeding out power. So if you need like your phone charge, you can connect this thing onto there. We're gonna test that out right now. I actually have my phone right here, so let's give that thing a try. Get my phone out, and I don't know if it's the same plug or what, but we're gonna try. I know this ain't the charger to charge my phone. It's actually a different little piece here. It's probably like a USB port here, but it does have the input, so you plug that into there, and you use this part right here, and then you charge it up just in case so you don't got no sun outside and you ain't got that much power. You can charge this up in your car. You charge this up in another little battery bank and stuff, just to get some more charge into this light here, just in case you need it and there ain't no sun out for a few days. Because I mean, without no sun, this thing ain't gonna charge. You ain't gonna get no power in your flashlight. I mean, you might get a little light on it. I mean, it's gonna take longer for it to charge up fully, but if you got this wire, it'll charge you up real faster. Probably only gonna be like about like an hour or two probably to get food this thing up. Not a big flashlight here, so I'm assuming the battery is not too big. But we're gonna test out this magnet, take it on to the fridge. Let me screw this little cover back on here in the bottom so we don't lose that. And let's take this thing to the fridge and test out this little magnet, and then we're gonna take it into the dark and see how this thing lights up, cause it's bright and it gets brighter and it gets flashier. But we're gonna test it out, and let's take it to the fridge and test the magnet out first. Guys, we're here on the side of the fridge here, and now we're gonna test this thing out. Put the magnet on to the fridge and see if it sticks. So let's put it on there and let's test it out, guys. Oh yeah, it held up to the test. I mean, you see it's sticking, holding up by itself. And if you turn the light on and you gotta use it, I mean, either to hold up on something, just aim it to the wall with the light on to see. And yep, see. Well, the magnet is actually gonna spin because it don't got a magnet on the other side here. But it does stick onto the fridge, but just aims upwards. Plus you can aim it downwards to see. Yeah, you can aim it downwards too. We need some light. You see how it just spins? The magnet just is a circle magnet, so I mean it's gonna spin all around on the heaviest part. And the heaviest part on the flashlight, as you can see, is the front part here because it's bulky. So it's gonna make the whole thing just spin around. But it does stick, so I mean the magnet does work. And we're gonna test out the brightness in this thing, take it out to the basement and see how bright this thing is, because that's the darkest part in the house is the basement, because there ain't that many windows down there. There's only like one window. We're gonna close that off, and we're gonna get ourselves down there into the dark. Let's go in the dark. Let's go out and test this light out. And just walking into my basement, you can see it's already dark. We got the window up there that we're gonna block off so it could be extra dark, because it's super dark down here. And we're gonna make it extra dark once we close this door. It's gonna get scary here, guys. So let's do it. It's actually my storage basement now. I had it fixed up before, but little incidents happen. But we getting back to it slowly by slowly. Hopefully get my basement back. But you see, we in the dark now. I got the flashlight on the GoPro here on. I'm gonna shut that off so we could be fully in the dark. So let's shut this light off on the GoPro here. And you guys can see we are in the dark now, and now you can see it's pitch black. You're gonna turn the light on here. The little light that you see all the way over there, that's my dehumidifier and stuff like that. But other than that, it's dark as heck. We're gonna turn the flashlight on. This is the first click, and that's the bright mode. This is like the low mode. So this is like real low. Still kind of, you can still see. And this is the safety mode. The third one is the safety mode, it's the flashing mode. So just in case the guys on the side of the road, y'all get stuck and need help or anything, to flag anybody down, you put this mode here, the flashing mode. Shut that off and it's pitch black again. And turn it back on. That's the high mode. It probably could get brighter than this if you fully charge it. It doesn't tell you how much charge is inside of this light here. It would have been kind of cool. They would have put like a little gauge to let you know how much percent that you have on this light. So you know, what you're dealing with, because right now you're kind of taking a guess if this thing is fully charged, half charged, or barely charged at all and stuff. Because it probably could get brighter, like I say. I'm not too sure if the front turns here, or the light. No, the light doesn't turn in the front here. So you only got like one distance. This is like a circle here. It's not a wide enough circle, but it does the job if you're in the dark. It definitely do the thing. I can see everything. It's real good. You get to see everything. This is with it flashing. That was actually on low mode. I actually thought that was on high. Let's put it back on high. This is high right here. So the high, you can actually see, like, if I get back more, I'm aiming at this wall here. If I get back more, it gets bigger, the circle in the middle, you see? Like I'm gonna stand it back more. And the circle gets a little bigger and the room gets a little brighter. Once I like walk up to things and get closer, you can see like the circle gets more into the picture. It's still kind of bright. And this is with it low. And this with it in the safety mode with the flashing. And that's with it off. It's dark as hell. So let's turn this thing back on. Let's get back upstairs and finish reviewing this light here. So guys, we're gonna wrap it up from here. We upstairs now. This is a cool fresh light here, the E-Lumen 500. So the guys interested in a cool little light and don't want to deal with batteries, like I said, get yourself this cool little light here. It's at a Walmart. Probably you can find this anywhere else, like online and stuff. Amazon, I bet had this. Probably you can find a little bit cheaper than $15. But $15 was the price that I pay, and I think it was worth the $15, man, because I spent a lot of money on just buying a whole bunch of different batteries for flashlights and stuff. And sometimes like with the cold, it kills the battery super fast. And sometimes you spend money on batteries and for no reason, because the battery dies out super quick from the cold and all that. But hopefully this holds up with the cold. It doesn't tell you anything about the cold or anything like that. I don't know if you look further into the book, it would say how many degrees this thing can hold up to and stuff before like it start like acting up and stuff with the cold. But yeah, it's a cool little light. I'm gonna try to keep testing this thing out as I go on with my adventures and stuff like that. Hopefully if we go into some cool bandos and stuff, we can test this thing out and get this thing a better review and stuff when we looking into them dark little spaces that we couldn't see before and stuff. But I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Hope y'all guys enjoyed it, man. I'm out of here. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also get that gear, man. Y'all guys get splashy, man. Support the adventures. Break254adventures.com. That'll keep us moving and stuff like that. Keep us bringing these cool videos for y'all guys. But we out of here, man. It was a cool little light. It's a little heavy. You can actually knock somebody out too if you want to use it as a little beater in case you got to get into a little emergency and stuff. But we out of here. We're gonna wrap it up. Peace, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. But see y'all guys next time, and I hope to see y'all on the next adventure. So make sure y'all guys turn on the notification bell. And yeah, we're out of here. Peace.